Hey, how's it going, Luis? Kelsey here, Mixed Digital Marketing. I just wanted to leave you a quick video in regards to SEO strategies recommending doing to your website to growing higher in Google. So we'll go over three things. First is content, second are backlinks, third are citations. So content is first words on the page. Then your home page, recommend 1,000 to 1,500 words. And each additional service page, recommend 500 to 750 words. And this is because within Google's algorithm, can't really determine how nice a website is. So really all I can rely upon are the words that are written there. And especially with your homepage being the most important page of your website, we recommend an abundance of words, but not just any words. You gotta have the right keywords. Let's take a look at your website and see what you got going on. So overall, the design is nice and easy to read, but I would highly recommend putting in a phone number at the very top of your website, especially making it clickable for people that view your website on mobile, so that way they have an easy way to contact you. They don't have to search and figure out how to contact you. I also noticed that there isn't really you have a contact button here, but I would also put a contact button at the very top just to make it very easy for people to reach you. Another possible recommendation is adding a form fill out near the top of the website for those that aren't comfortable calling you right away. That way they can just scroll down, put in their information, get sent off to you, and you can call them back at the time that you're ready. But in terms of content, you have an okay amount of content, but there's definitely room to add a lot more. So in terms of content, you have just this portion here, that's your mission, but I would have a few more general paragraphs that kind of talk about your company, your services, and where you do it. And so that way you can make sure you pick up all the appropriate keywords that are in the area, and Google will recognize that and make you appear higher in Google. So you may be wondering, okay, well, how do I know what the right keywords are to add to my website? So we use a program called Datatrips. In this program, we're able to plug in any website on the web, kind of spits out some ranking and feedback for us. So here you see your rank in the millions. There's totally fine talking about billions of websites. What we really care about is everything to the right. Your URL rating is a rating of both your on-site and your offsite SEO. And your domain rating is strictly a rating of your offsite SEO. So your URL rating is showing no data, I think, just because it's really, really low. And so because of the lack of offsite SEO that's being done to the website. And so what drives the offsite SEO are what we call backlinks, or more importantly, referring domains. So backlinks are that hyperlink that you find on blog posts or articles that when you click on it, it leads to another website. So Google loves this within their algorithm because now it's like another website is referring you. It's sort of like one big popularity contest, and the more popular you're seen in Google's eyes, the more relevantly and higher you appear on given searches for your business. And like I mentioned, though, referring domains is what we really care about. Just a fancy phrase for websites. So within one website, you can have 100 backlinks, but you only get power from that website once. So it's very important you get as many websites with backlinks as possible. Aside from that, though, we really care about do follow referring domains. So not every website has to lend you power. We want to find the ones that do. And so the stronger their websites are, the more power they lend you. And when that happens, you'll start ranking for more organic keywords, getting more traffic value. So I typed in RV Repair Alvarado, Texas, which is where you are. And here you can see there's typically a Google ad section where people pay a premium to be on top of Google. That only gets about 20% of the volume, so it leaves 80% for the rest of the field. 40% typically comes from the map pack, and 40% comes from the organic search. The number one thing that affects being in the top 3 in the map pack on average is going to be your organic search rating. So here you can see quality RV solutions. Quality RV solutions. On average, they'll be the top 3 always within Alvarado if people are searching it. But the second thing that's going to affect are what we call citations. So citations are online directories like Yellow Pages or even Yelp and Facebook, where you have your business name, address, and phone number listed exactly as you have it set up in Google My Business. It's very important to match exactly the same, or else you won't get proper credit from Google. And we use a different software that allows us to see how many citations your competition has, and make sure we get at least double those, because citations are all over the web. They just take a little bit of time to get. But that third thing that's going to affect being in the top 3 are going to be Google reviews. Because before anyone goes to a shop anymore, or goes to any business really anymore, they read the reviews first. And so it's very important to get an abundance of these and getting good ones. So the best way we've seen to do that is through text message marketing. And with that, you have customers opt into your text club, and that way you can give them updates on either their RVs, or also, more importantly, when the service is complete, you send them a link directly to leave you a review in Google. And with that, you get a much higher likelihood of getting a 5-star review. And so let's take a look at Quality RV Solutions and see what they got going on. So here's Quality RV Solutions. This is their website, and as you can see, pretty simple, nothing special about it. They do have a little bit more content than you. You see here layered in throughout these different sections. They actually could have done a better job in terms of linking it to different pages on their website. But overall, you can see they do have a little bit more content on their page. So that's helping them rank higher in Google. So here I plugged in their website as well. You can see their rank is doing better. They have a UR of 10, DR of 3.6. So really this is not very strong for a website being in the top portion of Google, which means you can definitely jump up and get over them. But with that, they have 56 referring domains, only 20 of which are do follows, and but they're ranking for a lot more keywords, getting more traffic and traffic value. So those are some SEO recommendations we hope you do to your website. If you want to learn more about what we can do, visit www.mixdigitalmarketing.com. Thank you.